Hello everyone and welcome to English by Nisa. In this video we are going to discuss about resume, what they are and how to create one and why they are important. So a resume is a formal document that provides an overview of your qualifications, skills, experiences and accomplishments. It is typically used when applying for a job. The purpose of a resume is to present relevant information to potential employers, showing how your background fits the requirements of the position you are seeking. Let's see the difference between CV and resume. In simple terms, the difference between a CV and a resume are length, content, and usage. So, a resume is typically short, 1 to 2 pages, which highlight only the most relevant skills, experience, and qualification for a job, whereas a CV curriculum vitae is a longer and more detailed, often used to list your entire academic and professional history. It can be several pages long. And now let's talk about content. A resume is focused on work experiences, skills, and qualifications tailored for a specific job, whereas a CV that includes comprehensive information such as education, research, publications, and other academic achievements, which is often used for an academic or research position. Now, where we have to use this resume or CV? So, a resume is commonly used for most job applications in industries like business, marketing, and IT, whereas a CV is used primarily for academics, research, or teaching positions and is often required when applying for positions abroad. So, in short, a resume is brief and job focused, while a CV is detailed and career focused. Now, let's discuss the key sections in resume usually include. So, here you can see on your screen, first we have to write the contact information where you have to write your name, phone number, and email address. And next we have objective or summary, which is a brief statement about your career goals or a summary of your qualifications. Next, we have work experience. This is a list of previous jobs, including job titles, companies, and key responsibilities or achievements. If you are a fresher, then no need to write this work experience. Now, next, we have education. Here, you have to write academic qualifications, including degree and institutions. Next, achievements. These are the key accomplishments, awards, or notable projects. Next, you have to write skills and expertise, which is a list of relevant skills to the job, such as technical or soft skills or areas of expertise. Next, we have certifications or awards, means any special recognition, certification that add to your expertise. And these interests and hobbies are come under optional sections. Here you can write your personal interests or hobbies. As you can see here, I have written one example. Here you have to write your name in the middle, then your position means your previous job, then you have to write your email ID, your phone number, and if you have any web, then you have to write your web address. Your introduction means your brief summary, then background means your qualification, then your achievements, your skills and expertise, your interests and hobbies, and at last you can give your conclusion. In most of the CVs and resume, we attach cover letter. It is important because a cover letter serves as a personal introduction which allows you to explain why you are interested in the position and how your skills and experience align with the job requirements. And also it gives you the opportunity to highlighting specific skills, experiences or achievements that might not stand out on your resume. Unlike the resume, which is often more general, a cover letter is customized to the job you're applying for, which making it easier for the hiring manager to see why you are a good fit. It also allows you to show your excitement and passion for the job and the company, which can help make you stand out of from other candidates. Overall, a well written cover letter complements your resume and increases your chances of making a positive impression on potential employers. So here you can see I have written a simple cover letter. You can follow the same format for your jobs as well. Just you need to do some changes in this according to your qualification and all. So then address and all, then your education qualification, then your employment, your experience, your skills, your interests and hobbies, your awards, and reference if you want to give means previously where you have worked, that reference you have to give if you want. And along with this resume we need to attach a cover letter. Here you can see it is a simple cover letter. You can write, you can follow the same cover letter, just you need to do some changes in this according to your qualification and all. So this is all for today's video, how to write a resume and what is the importance of resume. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.